5.2008 Toyota Tundra two-wheel drive truck extended cab pickup. This vehicle features the following equipment: automatic, gas 5.8, 5.7 L346, RWD AM/FM CD player, rear-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, locking limited slip differential, tow hitch, tires front all-season, tires rear all-season, steel wheels, conventional spare tire, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-lock brake system, brake assist, heated mirrors, power mirrors, privacy glass, intermittent wipers, variable speed intermittent wipers, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, cloth seats, bucket seats, adjustable steering wheel, tire pressure monitor, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, cruise control, engine immobilizer, AM/FM stereo, CD changer, CD player, MP3,